After working with more than 2,000 clients, we've seen a lot of marketing mistakes businesses are making without even realizing it. We decided to share all of our secrets so that you don't make the same mistakes. Not knowing your results is one of the 5 most common marketing mistakes. You need to know what you're spending your money on and whether it's worth it. For example, you might be paying for social media posts while that one blog post you wrote 3 months ago is actually bringing you the most of your total traffic organically. Or you might be paying for ads that bring only clicks but no sales. If your ROI is positive, maybe you should invest more into the best performing platforms and cut the budget for the least performing ones, or stop using some of them completely. If you want to avoid ruining your marketing efforts, here are a few questions you need to ask yourself. What is your cost per lead? If you're a dental clinic paying $100 for a lead that's going to spend thousands once booking your services, well, pretty good. However, if you're an e-commerce store selling a product worth of $20 and your cost per conversion is 40, then something is wrong. What is your ROI? If your marketing budget is bigger than the overall sales revenue, then you need to take actions ASAP. What is the most important audience demographic? If your most profitable target audience consists of millennial women who are into cruelty-free skincare, then you should probably focus more on building your marketing strategy and brand message around this buyer persona and stop advertising to 65+ men. How many people visited your website last month? If the number isn't significant, you should work on getting people to the site with the help of ads, SEO, content, social, etc. And if the number is big, but you get no conversions, well, adding more value to your site is a good thing to work on. Are your website visitors turning into customers? If you get only a few conversions or leads per month, you might need to rethink your business offer, website design, or change your call to actions. How much time do people spend on your website? If people spend 10 seconds on your website, they probably didn't find what they were looking for. It means you might need to add more useful information or target a different audience. What is your most successful channel? If 95% of your traffic comes from paid advertising and only 5% from organic Google searches, you might need to double down on ads and try to improve your SEO and keep the balance between the two. If you can't answer these questions or the answers don't satisfy you, it's the sign you need to rethink your marketing. Simple as that. In our next video, we're going to talk about the second most common marketing mistake you might be making. Stay tuned, and if you're curious, you can download our free marketing audit right now. Just click the link in the description and get to know whether you're doing your marketing right. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.